IPv6 Addressing, Understanding the New Era of Internet Protocol. Where have all the IPv4 addresses gone? Discussion. This section explores the depletion of IPv4 addresses due to the Internet's rapid expansion and the subsequent need for IPv6, offering a larger pool of unique addresses. Identifying IPv6 addresses. Overview. IPv6 addresses are significantly longer than IPv4 addresses to accommodate the massive growth of Internet-connected devices, akin to expanding phone numbers for more users. Types of IPv6 addresses. Description. IPv6 introduces various address types, such as global unicast, anycast, and multicast, each serving different communication requirements in a network. Global unicast addresses function. Similar to standard postal addresses, global unicast addresses in IPv6 are used for sending and receiving traffic across the global internet. Link local addresses. Use. Link local addresses facilitate communication within the same network segment or link. They are non-routable beyond their specific segment, ensuring local network security and efficiency. Cite local addresses. Analogy. Comparable to private addresses in IPv4, site local addresses are used within an organization or site. They are unique to a particular site or organization and are not intended for public internet routing. Neighbor discovery. Role. Neighbor discovery in IPv6 replaces the ARP protocol from IPv4. It assists devices within the same local network in recognizing and communicating with each other, similar to how acquaintances acknowledge each other in a neighborhood. This structured format offers a foundational understanding of IPv6 addressing, incorporating relatable analogies to simplify complex technical concepts. It provides insights into the evolution from IPv4 to IPv6 and the functionalities of different IPv6 address types. Network Engineer Training. IPv6 Internet Protocol version 6 is the most recent version of the Internet Protocol IP, the communications protocol that provides an identification and location system for computers on networks and routes traffic across the Internet. Understanding IPv6 is crucial due to the exponential growth of the Internet and the depletion of IP4 addresses. Here is a summary of the key elements and the importance of IPv6 addressing. Depletion of IPv4 addresses. The rapid expansion of the Internet has led to the exhaustion of IPv4 addresses. IPv4, with its 32-bit addressing, allows for approximately 40 billion unique addresses, a number that seemed ample in the early days of the Internet, but is insufficient in the modern era of ubiquitous Internet-connected devices. The depletion of IPv4 addresses has necessitated the shift to IPv6, which, with 128-bit address space, significantly expands the number of possible unique addresses.